Hey, you guys, and welcome back. So today we have the opportunity to do my little cousin Tristan's hair for his second birthday. So let's jump right into the style. So today we're gonna do something simple for little cuz. Something that's not gonna take too long, but it's also kid friendly. I want to give you a disclaimer now that the footage that you are about to watch may contain a toddler moving around, standing up, falling out, being bribed with some chips. We might even put the dukes up a little bit, but we're going to get him together for his birthday party. So we're getting baby Tristan's hair together by simply just parting it into the style that we're going to do today. So we're going to do a middle part in the front with some braids going to the side, and then in the back we're going to do it going straight down. All right, now that we have him all parted out and squared away, we're going to start our braids. Let's see how he does. This is my first time doing Tristan's hair, and he's 2, so they become a little bit antsy, but I think he's a trooper. We're going to get through it. I think I can speak for anyone who has done a 2-year-old's hair. Those parts are very hard to get straight. As you guys can see, he is moving around a lot. Okay, so here we go with the first braid. Let's see how he does. Uh-oh. He's moving, you guys. He's moving around. Oh, he's doing good. He's okay. If you're enjoying what you're watching thus far, don't forget to like this video and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Oh, you're falling, man. You're falling. Uh-oh. Come on. Okay. Sit. Show on the back of your head. Woo! Boom, 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 boom.
Yes, it has nothing. Yes, I remember you put my stuff to bring. I'm sorry, what?
All right, you guys. So y'all see, we had to take an intermission. You ready? Yeah. You ready to get back in the chair?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Where is he? He's at the bar.
We got to get up here.
He said he's gonna take him home. I just wanted to give you a heads up.
You want to go out the door?
Yeah.
No, we got to do the hair first. Come on.
Yeah, that's what I think.
If you're enjoying what you're watching thus far, don't forget to like this video and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Ow.
Ow.
Ow. Ow.
Tristan, look.
Huh?
Look at me.
Huh?
Hi. Say
See
cheese.
this camera, he like, nah.
Tristan.
He can go, he can look at it, that'd be even better. He can still look. Oh.
Hmm?
You playing peekaboo? Peekaboo? Peekaboo. Wow. Yeah. You dropped it, huh?
Yeah.
Gotta stand up for me. Up. Stand up. Look at the camera. Look. Say cheese. Uh-oh. You trying to hold me down? No. Mm-mm. You slide it. Up, boom, you're gone. You're gone. You got one more left. Come on. There we go. All right. And then we done.
Oh.
Where you going? You hear the birdies?
What?
BB.
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 BB, what's that, car?
Car.
Mm-hmm. That's a car.
BB.
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 All right. Boom. Whee! All right, you guys, here's the finished look. As you guys can see, it took a lot of patience, but we got it together. Ready for your beads?
Yeah.
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 All right, you guys, we are done. As you guys can see, Tristan was a trooper. He did a little moving around and stuff, but nothing too major from a hair braider. But I commend him for being two. And we want to thank you guys for tuning in. Me and Tristan wants to thank you guys for tuning in. Please make sure to follow, like, share, and subscribe to this video if you like this content. Until next time. You like it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, let me see. You done?
Here?
All right. Good job.
Alright.
Huh? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you guys for watching.